Hey everyone, Jim T. Graham and Jason Cole with RCGroups.com. Today we're looking at the Dynam Tucano, and Jason's going to go over how the build went, things you need to know about, features, and then at the end we're going to tell you about something very cool. So stay tuned for that. We're going to kick it over to Jason right now. What's happening, Jason?
Hey, what's going on? Hey, everybody. So yeah, the Tucano here, it's EPO foam. It's like a 1.3 meter wingspan. It's just I love like the Tucano like lines, right? Looks super cool. It's
Teeth.
aggressive. It's
Yeah.
fun. Looks awesome. Now, I'm a read the manual kind of guy. So the first thing I did when I opened the box was pull out this manual, and I'm like, okay, how easy is this to build, right? And then this is what you get. You get like 6 photos, a few lines of text, and I'm thinking to myself, where's the rest of the information? And there is none, because that's all you need. It's super fast and quick to build.
How
So
long do
it's
you
like
think it took you?
15 minutes, like taking pictures of everything as I go, like super fast. Like
Right.
everything screws on. There's no glue needed. Like you're ready to go pretty quick. There's a cool canopy latch system here. So this comes off. You've got lots of room. Now there is, it doesn't look this clean when you get it. There is a whole lot of wires. This is the plug and play version, I believe they call it. So there's no receiver included. So I'm using my own Jetty receiver. And there's just a whole bunch of wires because there's a lot going on. There's lights, there's 3 retract mechanisms, a lot of servos and Y harnesses. So you gotta need to clean it up. There's a nice little hole here to tuck the wiring into. And so you can make it look this clean once you're done. But again, super easy to build. And that was it. I just did a little radio setup, which I'll talk about in the article that'll be on RC Groups. And it's ready to go to the field right now.
Awesome. And that's everything you need to know about the build. There will be a full build feature, which will be in a link below. And Jason and I are going to head off to the field and the coming weeks and take it out there, fly it, and see what we think, and do all the things we do. What do you think, Jason? Is this an inverted flyer?
Oh yeah, I feel like it's going to be very aerobatic, super fun to fly. It is tricycle, so there's a nose gear, and I could show you that stuff here in a minute if you want. But yeah, I think it's going to be super easy to land, to take off, fly around. Should be a good time.
All right. Hey, we want to send thoughts out to Mean Joe Vermillion, who was originally going to review this, and we'll be reviewing something in the future. Jason, I appreciate the update, and we'll be looking forward to the build review and all that stuff.
All right, have fun, everybody.
Bye, everybody.